this case, we have two sketches. One is a profile and the other is a path. And as you can see, the path is a closed sketch, meaning that it forms a loop. So I'm going to create a sweep boss base. I'm going to select this profile feature, which is a rectangle. And I'm going to select this path, and it creates this sweep feature. So it forms a closed solid. Another thing we can use is, instead of using the profile sketch, we can just select circular profile. If the section is a simple circle, you don't need to create a profile sketch in this case. All I need is to set the diameter 1/2 inch, and this section will be a circle.